everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Shadelle here. If you're new, welcome to the family. What's up? I'm glad that you're here. If you're a return subscriber, what's up? Thank you for coming back. Let's go ahead and get first things first. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's not be weird. Just you're watching, you like to watch my videos, you're always here, you might as well hit the button. I mean, it only takes 0.3 seconds to hit the subscribe button. Click and you're there. So today's video is sponsored by PoshMark. So I teamed up with PoshMark, which if you don't know who they are, you clearly live on it. If you don't know who PoshMark is, they're like the #1 app where you can listen, it's money to be made out there, and scare money don't make no money. It's the #1 app where you can buy and sell like your belongings. Like you can sell clothes, you can sell accessories, you can sell shoes, and you can bid on it. You can post it up on your app. You can create a profile, you can post your things on there, and people can bid on it, and you can make money in your sleep. Money. I mean, easy money, you guys. Easy money. Like, you can use the app to shop other people's closets. So you have brands ranging from Nike, Louis Vuitton, Adidas, like top-notch brands, you guys. And they do a good job at making sure, of course, the stuff is legit. Like, you're not getting no counterfeit Louis Vuitton, because you don't want to be that person walking around with the fake red bottoms on, because definitely go check it out, you guys. Like, you should definitely go check it out, you guys. It's an easy way to make money. I have my own little closet here, so you can go to my profile, which is @xshadelle, and shop my closet. I have a few things on there, some shoes, a couple of clothes. So you guys head over there and shop my closet. I'm gonna have some stuff posted up, so go ahead, make your bids. Don't all run at once. Or you guys can go over there and create your own closet so people can shop your closet. You can make money. Everybody loves money. So yeah, if you guys want to check that out, I will have the link in the if you guys want to check that out, I will have the link in my description box, so you guys can head over and sign up. It's super easy, super quick, and you can sign up using your Facebook app. I love apps that saves me the time and the pain of going through and putting in my information when you can just pull it from my freaking Facebook app. So shout out to that. Moving on, Kim Kardashian, of course, teamed up with Mario. That's her longtime makeup artist, and they created KKW Mario. So Mario created this eyeshadow palette, and I am here to try it out today. As you can see, my face is already done. How y'all like it, Alba? So today I'm just going to be doing a quick first impressions. I mean, there's plenty of videos out there. People have already done it already, but I brought it, and some people was asking my opinion on it. So I was like, hey, instead of taking pictures for the gram, let me just go ahead and put up a quick little video so y'all can see me using it. Y'all can see what I personally think of it, and if it's worth your 52 coins. Go ahead and get right into it, because this look is super simple, and I just want to say I freaking love this gloss. Alright, you guys, here we are. Let's get started to this tutorial. And if you guys do not mind my fire alarm chirping, the batteries need to be changed, and I just haven't put in the maintenance request yet. Today I'm coming here with the KKW and Mario collection. So yes, if you follow me on social media, like I said, I definitely had to get my hands on this palette. One, because I love Makeup Mario. I know he's been doing Kim's makeup for a long time, and if you follow him on Instagram and you see like all his other work, it's just so bomb. Like, he knows exactly what he's doing. So when he did the whole partnership with Anastasia, I love that palette. Like, to this day, that is a staple in my beauty. So when he partnered with Kim with this whole, I was like, yes, because he does Kim's face, and I'm like, yes, just continue to show me all the tricks so I can just slay in Kardashian fashion. So you have a 10 shades, and the only thing, I mean, I love the packaging. It's very gray, it's very sleek, it's very simplistic. I'm all for simplicity, and it has like this kind of soft touch feel to it. And the only thing I wish they would have had is a brush. Like, come on, this palette retails for like $52 or whatever, or something like that, and we don't get a brush, Kim. Because this means I have to go through my brush drawer to find a brush. One, I gotta find a clean brush because I hate cleaning brushes. Like, I hate cleaning brushes. Like, if I could hire somebody to clean my brushes for me, I would absolutely do it in a heartbeat and wouldn't even think twice about it. But man, for the price of this palette, this definitely should have came with a brush. Like, you gave us a brush for everything else that we didn't need, like the contour kits. But you couldn't give us a brush for this eyeshadow palette where we were really needing. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Like, I'm ready to use it. I'm ready to see it. I'm just ready. So I'm doing the blue. I wish the shade names, also I wish the shade names were on the front, because like, honestly, I don't know. They're on the back, but honestly, I don't know, like, am I supposed to like bronzy flip it over? Like, I don't know the names of the palette. You know, it's just hard. You don't know the names. So I'm gonna go in as a transition color with this shade right here. I'm actually gonna mix these two. This is like a brick red, and I want to take some of the redness out of it, so I'm gonna mix these two right here for a transition color before I go in with that nice blue. I think the blue is called, it's Libra. So if that's a Libra, that means bronzy is to the right of it. See, it's just I don't know. I didn't prime my lids or put any concealer on it because I just wanted to see the pigmentation of the palette itself. And I would say it's pigmented. Like, it's nothing like wowing about it. Like, I would say this is definitely on par with other palettes that I own. So nothing, there's no, I'm not wowed by that. It's just like, okay, cool. It does like what my other palettes do. Like, all right, so I'm ready to get straight into what I came here for, which is Libra. This can go really wrong. So hopefully, I'll make it work. I'm like Kim. I'm like Kim, like special occasions, or if it's like a photo shoot or something, I'm here for colors, but usually my eye makeup is on the neutral side. Like, you know, I may have a pop of color here and there, but you know, the Libra just, it seems very dull. It doesn't seem as vibrant like as it did on the video. Like, it just seems like you would definitely have to like conceal or do some type of lid primer to really get that vivid blue. Because right now it's just, I kind of wish she had a black in this palette, because now I don't think I'm liking this brick color too much with this blue. I'm gonna go in with this color right here just to kind of bring some smokiness to it, because I don't think I like the brick color. They're kind of neutral. Since it doesn't have a black in this palette. And hopefully we're about to see if it blends. It intensified the blue just a little bit, but I definitely think I would have to go back in with a brush that is wet. All right, let me go do the rest of my face and I'll be back with this. Alrighty, I'm back with a full face. And so in addition to the eyeshadow palette, I picked up the Super Nude Gloss because I'm a gloss fanatic and I love gloss. So I didn't want the other one that she had, I forgot what it's called, I don't know the name of it, but I felt like that was too peachy. I don't like pink nudes. I like a nude, and this will look like a nude. So I'm gonna go in with Super Nude, and I can find my chestnut liner. So it's very thick. I don't know if the applicator is supposed to be like this or mine just came defective. Do y'all see that? Do you see how this is like, I don't know. It's like, I don't know. You know she'll do no refunds. So I actually really like this is Super Nude. Yes, Super Nude. I actually really like Super Nude. And I can only imagine if I put this with a lip liner, this will look so good. Look at them lips. This looks so good, you guys. Alright, you guys. That's it. As you can see, I'm back with a full face. So my thoughts on the KKW and Mario palette is the blue definitely needed some type of base. The blue definitely needed like a base or something to intensify the color. So moving forward, I think I definitely know that I have to use I definitely know that I have to use an eyeshadow base for this palette, especially with the blue, or it's going to look very dull. But once I sprayed some Fix Plus on a brush, once I used that, it just made it look like how it looked on Kim's Instagram and Mario's Instagram. Like it looked really rich, it looked really vibrant, it looked really blue, and that's what I wanted. I wanted to see if I could achieve that without a base primer. And that's no biggie because I mean there's nothing to throw some concealer on my eyelid, or you know, a paint pot from MAC or something. But when I'm feeling super lazy, I can't just try to play in this bad boy. But like I said, I definitely love the colors. The formula is actually it's really good. At first I thought like it was coming up muddy, but you just have to really blend. Like you gotta blend. Like you can't slack on your blend skills with this palette, y'all. I just really love the color, like the color choices in here. I think that's something that Mario does very well when it comes to palettes, is putting colors together. I feel like with this palette, you can wear this all year round because you have colors in here that you can rock in the fall, and then you also have some springish colors that you can wear. I think the palette is really versatile in the color selections of the palette, and yeah. For $52, I think that Mario and Kim could have definitely incorporated a eyeshadow brush. Like, you know, come on, we got the blender with the other things. Why stop? Like, why stop? I don't understand. But yeah, for $52, they definitely could have put a brush in here with this. But you know, I'm gonna just drink my water, sip my tea, and mind my business. If you guys want to see the swatches, you can head over to my Instagram and check out my swatches that I did over there. But other than that, like this and the gloss is a yes for me. Like I'm obsessed with this gloss. Like I keep looking in the mirror at my lips because it just looks really good. Like this is a perfect nude. Like I feel like sometimes for companies it's hard for them to, for some reason they just act like it's just super difficult to land like a nice nude without adding in the peach tone and all this stuff. Like I just like nude. Like I just like nude. I like besides being nude, but I just like nude. Like, and this looks really good. Like, but alrighty, you guys, that's it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Remember to click the link in my description box to shop my closet at PoshMark. So if you guys are interested in that, the details will be in my description box below. And until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye.